Guaranteed to start. Maybe not this guarantee. Got a tank full of gas. Super old gas. You can tell what part of the air filter gets used the most. Let's try some. Make sure we know what our oil looks like. Doesn't smell like gas. It's got a good amount of oil in there. Let's give it a shot of the good stuff. So it'll run on starting fluid. My guess is our carb is gummed up, which this is in a nice spot. Let's pop that out and see what we see. All right, let's see what gas we get out of here. Not even draining. It's not even draining. It's so plugged up. There's gonna be some big old boogers in there. Let's try tipping it over and pouring the gas out that way. If we just took the bowl off, that would make a huge mess. Get as much out as we can so we don't have it all just leak all over the machine when we drop that bowl. What do you think of my hydraulic work table? All right, now let's spill gas everywhere. It's actually rusty. Now we want to be careful when we do this that we don't crush the float bowl here. Just want to give it a slight, there we go. Oh, it's all rusty. My guess is we got some jets clogged up in there. Well, fuel line's not clogged up. That's obviously flowing. So this is your governor here that lets the engine run at the speed it wants to. And then this must be their choke system. They're guaranteed to start. Let's get a new countertop down. Take the flow out. Yeah, you can see how that's coated. That's your ethanol that's in gas. Oh yeah, you can see how much junk is on there. You gotta be careful with these jets. Yep, that one's not coming out, folks. I think it's worth trying to clean it. You can see the varnish on this float, and that's what that ethanol does. Just cakes everything up in that. And you can see, I mean, that carb cleaner slowly starts to break that down, but it's a bear. This is when it would be nice to have a parts cleaner. With a parts cleaner, you could just toss this whole carburetor in, set it on vibrate with a cleaner in there. I should say ultrasonic cleaner. Set all these parts in there and just let it run and come back, and all of this will be broken up, and you don't have to break it up with a brush and a spray. That's a luxury item. Luxury item. Let's make sure we orient our drain back towards the front. That's where we want it. Make sure our drain is closed. Sure, when you're putting this gasket on, you see that air hole, that flow? Match that up. Click. Click. Let's get it off the table and try some fresh gas. What do you think? Will it run? Come on, baby. Well, there you go, a Toro Super Recycler SR4. Guaranteed to start, but I'm sure they didn't mean 8 years, sitting 8 years. That's what gas today does. It just has ethanol in it, and that ethanol absorbs water and turns to gunk and gums everything up, and those carburetors have little tiny ports in them that can't handle that gunk. So if you're going to store it that long, drain the gas out or get ethanol free gas. Even then, 8 years is a long time for even that stuff. So hey, thanks for watching.